Emergency surgeries and dental procedures resumed today in Virginia. Restrictions were originally put in place to preserve PPE, that's personal protective equipment for frontline workers in hospitals.
But a lot of people say they're afraid to go to the hospital for any reason because they fear they'll become infected with COVID-19. Our Matthew Foltz has the story.
We're really worried that patients are staying at home rather than seeking medical care.
Dr. Michael Contos has been battling COVID-19 on the front lines at VCU Medical Center since the start of the outbreak.
I work in cardiology and primarily in the cardiac intensive care unit.
Contos says the hospital has seen a decrease in the number of non-COVID-19 patients since the stay-at-home orders were put into place.
At least in our center, we've seen about a 20 to 30% decrease in the number of patients presenting with heart attacks.
A poll released Wednesday by the American College of Emergency Physicians and Morning Consult shows that 80% of Americans surveyed worry about catching the virus while visiting a hospital.
We really think patients are staying at home and either self-treating or ignoring their symptoms that are related to a heart attack.
Friday, a ban on non-emergency services was lifted in Virginia, and Contos says VCU Health is taking steps to help patients feel safe during their visits.
We are doing much more screening than we did before. All patients who are coming in for routine surgery are going to be screened both with a questionnaire as well as undergoing coronavirus testing.
VCU Health is now performing surgeries for patients with cancer, infections, and brain conditions, procedures that had been delayed because of COVID-19. Contos says they're also monitoring data in Virginia to prevent another outbreak.
We want to make sure that we don't have a second surge as a result of decreased restrictions that are occurring.
And he's encouraging those in need of medical care who have been staying away from the hospital to come in for help.
Hospitals have put a lot of safety measures in place to protect you from infection. A hospital is the best place to be if you're having a serious illness such as a heart attack or a stroke.
Now we'll have all the information on VCU Health's non-emergency surgeries and how you can get in touch on our website at WTVR.com. Working for you in Richmond, I'm Matthew Foltz, CBS 6 News.